Hello, I'm in a 2003 Ford F150 and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side, we're going to go right here. You should see a lever that says hood. Pull. That kind of sound you heard was the safety being released. This should be under some tension with a cable. If it's not, you can kind of see the cable there. If it's not connected, you want to address that. At which point we'll go up to the hood. Most vehicle models, there's a lever towards the middle that you can release, hope the rest of the way with. This one, we're pushing it this way and lifting. So there's what it was hooked onto. And this is the release. This one's pretty well sticking. So definitely would want to check for any debris that might be in here. It's very good with some WD-40 to loosen this up. And then alternatively for vehicles, you want to check, make sure your hood's straight in alignment. Maybe any bent parts that might be messing up things that need straightened out. And in the worst case, you can replace these and any possible cables that need replaced fairly inexpensively. Hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.